Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Imo Mondays TV. I'm here again with another mind-blowing video. In one of my recent videos I posted here on this channel, this video, I got a lot of comments asking how they can verify their phone numbers on their YouTube accounts. And I know a lot of us here are trying to grow our channels. And verifying our YouTube accounts is a crucial step if we are to unlock more features on YouTube and improve our channel's credibility. So in today's video, I'll be showing you every single step on how to get your phone numbers verified on your YouTube channel. It's very simple. Just make sure to watch this video to the end so as not to miss any step I'll be sharing in this video. Now let's get started. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in studio.youtube.com. It will bring you here to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on Settings. Then click on Channel. Next, click on Feature Eligibility. Under Feature Eligibility, you will see Intermediate Features. Click on it. You will see an option to verify your phone number. Click on Verify Phone Number. Phone number verification, step 1 of 2. So in here, make sure to select the name of your country and choose your country code. Then type in your correct phone number. Now you can choose how you want to receive the verification code, either through text message or through automated voice call. After selecting your options, click on Next. You will receive a 6-digit code on your phone. But if you don't receive the digit code in your text message, you can go back and select the automated voice call option. Now, enter the 6-digit code here and click on Submit. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Now the intermediate features has now been enabled. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. But before you go, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that you get notified when next I drop a new and amazing video like this on this channel.